Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the hottest trend, in my opinion, for 2023. I'm going to start by removing the surface shine off the nail and prepping it and dusting all of the excess off before I go in with the builder gel. I'm using Cover Pink from Glitterbels. Now this is the old Glitterbel builder gel range. There is a new one. Unfortunately, I do not have access to my normal studio at the moment, but I will do a video on the new range really soon. You want to start with a slip layer. Make sure it's not too thin and do not cure. You want to bring some more product, apply it at the center of the nail. Move that blob from one side to the other to help the product spread, and then continue with a sweeping motion from one side to the other to give the nail a structure and strength. Recently, I've developed a lot of love for working with builder gels, and because I love nail art so much, I always look at how I can save time, so I worked myself up to be in a level where I do not need to file the shape after. I'm gonna turn the nail over and work with the brush to get all the product in the center and create a nice apex, so I don't have to file down the nail or file the shape, so I can go straight ahead and start my design. Because we are working with chrome powders, we need to remove the tacky layer off the nail and buff the surface as well. Some people apply matte top coat. I prefer buffing the nail. The chrome powder doesn't stick as well to rough surfaces, and sometimes it's harder to clean the chrome powder off a matte layer, so I prefer buffing the surface and then just dusting off the leftover chrome. I'm going to dust off the nail and then apply top coat at the bottom of the nail. I'm going to paint 3 abstract blobs at the edge of the nail to apply chrome on them. So I'm using top coat for this because obviously chrome powder sticks to a shiny surface better. For this design, I'm using a gorgeous pigment with red and gold tint to it. I'm going to rub it directly onto that shiny surface and really work it in. And once I'm happy with the amount of chrome that's on that shiny surface, I'm going to dust it off and clean the rest of the nail and remove any residue that's left on that rough surface. Once the nail is clean, we're going to go ahead and apply a thick layer of top coat. We need to seal the chrome in, and also we need this layer of top coat so we can buff it and prep the nail for the next stage of this design. Once I buff the nail, I'm also going to use a brush just to get rid of any dust that's left over. I'm also going to give the nail a wipe with alcohol to make sure it's nice and clean. For this design I'm going to be using the Unbelievable gel by Glitterbels. It's black, it's snow white, and it's great to work with when it comes to using chrome powders. Hella cute liner brush as always, and then silver chrome. I'm going to start by painting 3 abstract circles just around those areas where we worked in the chrome previously. We're going to paint 3 kind of circles and then fill in the gaps in between to create this really gorgeous alien-y abstract design. The great thing about this design is that nothing in this design needs to be perfect. Not the circles, not the lines, not the thickness of the lines. You just have to really go freehand and just trust yourself, trust your gut, add what you think needs to be added, fill in some of the gaps, and let it just look as abstract as possible without overthinking what to do next. Once you're happy with the way it looks, you want to go ahead and give it a cure. Once the nail is cured, you want to work in that silver chrome onto the section where we just painted with the black gel polish. Once we apply the chrome, we are going to dust off any of the excess and then apply a layer of top coat. To add a little bit more dimension to the nail, we're going to use a thick no wipe gel and just apply it at the center of each circle we just painted. So just paint a blob and flash cure it quickly so it doesn't spread, and then do the same with all the blobs that you want to add texture to. I absolutely love all the designs people come up with when it comes to chromes, you know, using the molding gel and all the iridescent stickers. I think it looks so divine, and I can't wait to do more of these on my channel in the future. But yes, This is it, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments below. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you all on my next one. Thank you, guys.